Yeah, Gaza Nation. I wonder if you really see what going on. You know, sister teacher set a new record again in a dance hall. People are take them things light, you know, just because a teacher, you know, it come like, you know, we nothing not too impossible for we believe with teacher in a music. So more while we see some little thing and take them things there for granted. But here we go. Teacher dropped 5 songs this week. Then, none of the songs them what teacher drop, YouTube give them highlight. You see what I say? And the whole 5 songs them up on the iTunes chart. Can you believe that? Eh? Can you believe that? The whole 5 songs them are tear up the iTunes chart. You see what I say? A peer platform. Not a platform like YouTube where you can go free the music free or the video free. You see me? And YouTube still, I fuck on the man streaming and views. Is it the vendetta and the intent fanboys them doing all of this shit? Here we are going. And the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already when I come for represent. Hey, a full effective man. You don't know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. First and foremost, Gaza Nation, I want big up Local Vibes on him Bird Strong. So we are say happy bird strong Local Vibes. Stay strong, youth. You see what I say? Big 18. I want me to you, man. The thing will take over now. Launch the attack. One of the brightest 18-year-old me ever see in a dance hall. When in terms of how the youth orchestrate himself, how the youth deal with certain questions and certain type of answer, and how the youth really proceed as an individual. You see what I say? One of the most intellected 18-year-old we ever seen a dance hall, and you can't take that from him. So we say, big up Local Vibes anyway, they on your bird strong. 10 stars, say, what? You know the thing go already when time I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know I know nothing normal, my brother. So bless up for you strong again. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. A real way I represent when I represent the lollipop way. So you know say the Palmer dynasty well secure. Big take over go on. Local Vibes reach big 18. You can't stop that. Eh? You can't stop that or talk to that. Anyway, back to the saga right about now. Because I see the thing I get away right now. Where people I try fucked up the world boss thing because I don't know if them have it for say, well then, yo, in a Jamaica, if you're not a trend on YouTube, it come like your song not it, so them have it back way just because it's a third world country, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know everything and so them deal with it back way, them take long for grow up. You see me, so I say it's not like the international country that you see Vybz Kartel song at stream all over the world. You know what I mean? Except Jamaica. And a play and it's not a play platform them have. A free where you can go over there, go watch any video and listen any music at all. And the man them over there are going with beer, eat that thing. You see what I say? And watch Vybz Kartel and top up the chart them, the peer platform them in the world. You see what I say? And the man them who them claim say a trend on YouTube, we not see them on them platform there. We not see them on iTunes. So what go on? And then you have some jockstrap sniffers who want to come around and talk a lot of shit because them not see world boss thing a trend on YouTube, so them want to chat shit. You see what I say? Because that's a for them boy favorite platform. You see what I say? Yeah, so I guess them have to have most of them argument, but I'm going to show you something. Remember, you know, when Vybz Kartel does come in the game, you know, you see just like how Intense get him 2 years, and right now it come like him slow down. Not me I say that, you know, Dancehall Universe I show you that, because him not that hot like how when him just come out. I even say last year. The same goes to Alkaline. Him two best year was 2016-17. Right now, him at a warm pace right now. You see what I say? A snail pace. And that's not a joke thing. You know, remember me I tell the youth name Intense if you change the animated thing there when them 2 years come. Find a new style where the people them can latch on to, and find a style where the people them can hear what you say all over the world, because you need to put your foot all over the world. You're not just Jamaica alone for show you say you're a dominant dancehall artist. And him couldn't do that. Him not listen to me. Him think the automated thing can work. So I'm going to drop him EP, how much track they on it, and how much copy sell, at 20 me here. You see what I say? So that does to show you. You see what I deal with, and you know, gimmicks thing. Then them a hype up Alkaline, same have album for drop, all no him can't drop it. From when them a boots up Alkaline say him a go take over dancehall, you know what I mean? It was just only a thought. You know it's not necessarily true, you know what I mean? Because what you are going on. Remember when Vybz Kartel just come out, you know, Vybz Kartel first 2 years in the business, the Vybz Kartel tell the world, you know, say this a new millennium, you know, a different thing are going on right now, you know. I take the man and make you know, say, I take over dancehall to the fullest, you know. The man say a new millennium, a different thing are going on. You see me? A Marshall and Kartel come create a storm. All know the tsunami can't stop. When you not see that? All know it can't stop. Every boy else will come and talk about him and go do that. Him can't put him foot forward in a way where people would recognize and say, yo, yeah, him are the man. It's all about more thought, no work ethic, no dead. When the Vybz Kartel come and tear up the place like that, we da look for say, well then, yo, you know what I mean, the next thing when be closest to him, Idona. But here, Idona have lyrics, but him now Vybz Kartel murder them, because it's not just, at that time, it's hardcore DJ and it's all about stage show and rough lyrics. You see what I say? Vybz Kartel change the game upon them and start make them know how DJ and record business start like recording song. And so Vybz Kartel use and murder them. All 4 or 5 songs all are released just like where you go on this weekend. A record Vybz Kartel murder them pan, and you know same lyrical incline when it comes to hardcore lyrics and stage show. Remember, you know, the reason why you see Mavado and Popcorn, you know, when them get big bad rhythm, or them slap it well like that, you know, because them are punchline artists, and as that used to run dancehall before Vybz Kartel come. Punchline. You see what I say? You have punchline and you have melody on the chorus, you're good. You see what I say? Because that used to run dancehall. They can look on it from all of the big songs them from back in the days and all them shit them on. Punchline, man. You see what I say? Because Mavado punchline artist with melody, same thing with Popcorn. Same thing with Beenie Man, them and Bounty Killer, Beenie Man should say, and them artists, the Vegas, them are punchline artists. All them do is find a good punchline and put some melody, back it up behind it. And the thing slap where Vybz Kartel come change the game with bare lyrics. And when time the man change the game with lyrics, the man still go back, go learn how to deal with melody and punchline thing, and that's why none of them can versatile like him, because him complete, him phenomenal, him have the whole package. Some man just have the punchline and the melody, them now have the lyrics. The man have everything in every capacity. You see what I say? Not gimmicks thing, not dead about it. You see what I deal with? And adapt them now. The things them Vybz Kartel can express himself in a hardcore, them cannot do it. You see what I say? Them cannot do it. The words them when use on deliver and shit, them cannot do it. So all now, you know, them say them a come and take over, man, and say them are the new sensation. What them bring to dancehall? What them bring to dancehall for say, well then them a go change the game. None of them know. When I see them come with nothing for change the game. Vybz Kartel change the game how many times? You see what I deal with? Right now, you know, the biggest change I go on all in the game, you know. The man bringing youth them in the business, you know, for come take over the first this ever happening in a dancehall history. You see what I say? Because I'm going to say it again. Remember, you know, after Bob Marley passed away and gone, the youth them a lift up certain way in a reggae music and them shit. The Vybz Kartel I do them shit from behind the bars, my virgin. I bring them youth them forward, coming at dancehall. I take over. No, look, baby thing I go on, my virgin. The man them I deal with, the man them have them own record label. The man them a practice how to build beat. The man them a practice the whole instrument and music business. So the youth them a show you say them a born musician, they are not hustlers of music, my virgin. They are real musician, they are not hustlers of music. At different level the youth them a take it to. Anyway, you know, at the general, you know, the 10-star one. We have to point out them things and make them know. So when time boy I chat up them out, them know say they ain't nowhere near Gaza in a no way you can describe about music completely. You see me? So boy have to take those things off their mind, those jockstrap sniffers. And anyway, big up local vibes again, upon them earth strong. 10-star salute my general. Bless up and enjoy it to the fullest. But be safe. You know a 10-star, the general I represent. What? Hey, a Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star, general. Watch.